Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have some small unboxings for you. First of all, I just want to remind you that I use this channel to practice my English pronunciation, so I'm sorry if I make some mistakes or if my pronunciation is a little bit weird. Okay, so before we continue, today we are going to unbox these two dolls that I got from Amazon. So I just took this out from the Amazon box and I will unbox them with you. Okay, so I will show you. First of all, I think in the past I uploaded some unboxing of two ball jointed dolls on this channel. I really like this type of dolls. If you can see, here is the scale and it's a ball jointed doll, which I think these are actually mechanical jointed dolls. So instead of BJD, they are MJD, okay? But I mean, we will keep calling them ball jointed dolls just to let you know that these are actually mechanic, okay? If in the future you would like to know more about the difference of the dolls, the types and everything, let me know in the comments and I will work on a video for you, okay? So let's open this first one. As you can see, the boxes are the same. These are two different dolls, but the boxes are exactly the same. So let me show you the first one. And this is the second doll. Here is the name of the dolls. Match Girl. They are also known as, let me see if I can show you, ICY Fortune Days. And I think they had another name like Daily Queen or something like that. As you can see, they come into the box. I will remove that in a second. Okay. I remove everything. As you can see, there is nothing else left. It just had the doll. It comes with the eyes, the wigs, the clothes, the shoes, and it also had, so these are the dolls available. Let me take out the other doll and we will continue. Okay, so the second doll also was just the doll, the tiny booklet, and this tiny hat. We just need like to fold it a little bit, like put it on like this. Yeah, I feel like this is the shape she has on the picture. So I mean, I don't think I will be using a lot this hat, to be honest. This is not my favorite accessory, but I mean, it's a cute extra thingy to get in this kit. It also has this small, it's attached to the hand. Let's see. I don't know if it's like a face mask in the shape of a heart or like an eye patch. I think it can be both. So I like these ones because they come with the full kit. As you can see, it has those cute little shoes. The bottom is plastic, so they are very well done. It's very pretty. It comes with the socks. I think, yeah, they have some like underwear in here. And then it comes with the full dress, which is very pretty, the wig and the eye. So that's what I got this one, because I feel like it's the full package. And for the price, it was very good. Maybe in the future I will just modify a little bit the dress, because I'm not a fan of these white thingies in here, so probably I will just chop them. But I will be showing you like an update in the future. And let me show you, let's see if I can remove this easily. So this is the wig. As you can see, it's not styled very prettily. There's hair in here, but I think I can make it work, because for example in here you can see a little bit of the cap, but it's okay, because if I put like a hat on top or something, you won't even notice that. Maybe I will try to style again this tiny wig and see if it can work better. I mean, the quality seems nice. It's kind of heavy. It has a lot of hair, as you can see. You can see the cap, but If you style it properly, you can hide that very easily. And it comes with this rubber cap which helps you to keep the wig into place. I'm gonna remove this so we can check the face. Okay, so I will just pull lightly. Okay, it's very easy to remove. As you can see in here, immediately we can notice it is not a proper ball jointed doll, because the normal ball jointed dolls use elastic to pull all the, like the hands and the legs, like the articulations. I'm sorry about my English. And this one is, well, even when it mimics the ball joint, it's just mechanical. Okay, so it moves the hands, elbow, the arm. I think you can even like twist a little bit the chest, you can see in here. And the last part, in here you can remove these screws and you can change the eyes. The eyes are actually, they are very pretty. These are red, the other doll has blue eyes, and I think there are other dolls with brown eyes, but I was mainly going for these two because of the red and blue eyes. Then in the future I will try to make my own eyes and make like this doll more custom like. They close very easily, as you can see it has magnets, and you just put back the wig. And another thing that I like, I'm sorry for the camera angle, but you just need to watch this. They can stand by themselves, so you can see the other doll in the back, but as you can see they can stand up. Okay, so this was very important for me too. And let's move on to the second doll. Okay, so this is the second doll, the kawaii doll. It comes with this tiny bag, you can open it, there's nothing inside. You can see the detailing here in the chain. It comes with the shoes, these ones are white, the other one were pink. It's plasticky. This part is fabric. It comes with the socks too. As you can see, we have the articulations, the mechanical ones. It also comes with the underwear. And this one, I like the clothing on this one very, very much. The hair is a light, very, very light pink. Maybe you can see it as a blonde on the camera, but it's kind of light pink. Same as the other doll, like the wig is not best quality, but I mean for the price of these dolls it was very, very affordable. In here you can see a little bit of the wig below, but it's okay for me, I can make it work. It's also not styled properly, but it looks very nice on her. So this is the wig, and same as the other one, it comes with the cap. And this one, the eyes are kind of sky blue. They are very pretty. Okay, remove the bag, because you can also remove this jacket. This is the cat jacket. It's very well done. It has like some layer inside. Very pretty. And the doll has this white shirt and a pink skirt. It's very pretty, I really like it. Let me put back the wig on. So this is just a quick unboxing. In the future I will do kind of a review for each one of them. Once I try to like check all the clothing, check the wig properly, style it properly. So once I do that, I will do a video for each doll. And I will show you also if I try to customize them, like do more wigs for them or change the eyes or even the clothing. I will be sharing with you those videos in the hopefully near future. But yeah, these were the dolls I wanted to share with you, and I can wait to share also pictures on my Instagram. So if you would like to see them or to follow me over there, you can find me as Cory Style. I will leave the links in the description as always. So yeah, my friends, this was a small unboxing. I hope you enjoy. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon in the future with a new vlog. Bye bye!